Okay.
Okay. Hello, xin kính chào khán giả của Binhvo và Ngoctrang Channel. Hôm nay thì mình có gặp cái and I just want the person to tell you how to xin quý vị là phải là directly to deposit to the Trump campaign. So
Yes, hi there. I'm Brette Powell. I run President Trump's external affairs team. And if you want to donate directly to President Trump, be sure to go to donaldjtrump.com and click the donate button. All the proceeds will go directly to President Trump's campaign, and every dollar will be worth your donation. We appreciate you and thank you so much.
thank you. Okay, thank you everyone. To go to the Reddit program website,
Yes.
so nobody can have to like, okay,
Yeah.
I'm support for Trump, so you direct deposit money for me and then I send it to Trump. No, that's not
Yeah.
right. Can
Yeah.
you tell them exactly how it is?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, what you say now?
Hi there, I'm Brette Powell. I run President Trump's external affairs team. If you want to give money to him, give directly to the campaign, go to donaldjtrump.com and click the donate button. Every penny will go directly to President Trump's campaign. That's the best place to give your money and the only place. Thanks so much.
Okay. And also, no one can be like you open your campaign and you say, okay, just donation for me, and then I send that money to the Trump campaign. That's not illegally, right?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
a Trump campaign only. Okay.
Trump campaign only.
Thank you.
You cannot go to the second party to the Trump party. No.
Yeah.
Go direct to him.
Yeah.
That's how it is.